So one day I'm out at a store and I go to open the back door and this happens. The handle comes off right in my hand. It looks like this. What happened is, these are cheap plastic junk. This is a 2017 Sorrento, but it's like this on a lot of cars. Anyway, so right here in the end here you can see this thing broke right here. What happens is it goes onto this little metal screw right here that holds that in place. And what happens is you pull on that too many times, I guess, and it just snaps that little piece off in there and it falls out. So now it's a cheap replacement, but what I have to do now, I can stick my finger in here. There's a little lever in here. I can still open the door. It's a little bit difficult, but now what I have to do is take off the panel here, the entire panel, and get inside there so that I can replace that. So it's not going to be a simple fix just because I got to take the panel off and do it right. So I got to put that in there and then take this panel off. And from what my understanding here is, and it's hard to see, there is a little cover right here. Let me get in there and show you a little bit. Alright, as you can see, there's a little door right here. Supposedly you can just pop that open there, just like that. And then there's a let's see if we can get up here some light, better light. There's a Phillips head screwdriver. Alright, you need a Phillips head screwdriver for that Phillips head screw in there. And then supposedly you take that out and then you just pop around the outside of the frame here. I bought these trim tools here. I'll put a link in the video description down below. They're pretty cheap. They're just plastic, but we'll use those to pry open the door panel once we get that screw out. Alright, I got my Phillips head screwdriver. Take this off here. See if we're good there. Maybe up here a little bit better. There's the Phillips head screw. Alright, now. Okay. And now I'm going to try these trim tools on this. Let's see here. These up underneath here. Somehow. Maybe. There we go. Just go all the way around the door. Yeah. Pop right off here. That's one up here. I'm not sure how it's on right here. I wonder if this piece here comes off. Yep. Alright, that piece comes off. Now I get this one off. Maybe. Okay. Alright, now that I got this off. Alright. need to get to is through this hole right here. I don't know if you can see that or not. I need to get right through this hole right here. I'm not sure what kind of tool it is here. I'm going to see if I can see a little bit better. See if the Phillips head will work on it. What it is over here on this side of the door, this thing here is screwed on here with a screw, and that's what screws the hole, keeps the piece on there. It's just a screw through this metal piece right here. It's the only metal piece on the whole plastic handle, which is sort of silly, but if they just make it out of metal, it wouldn't have fell off. Alright, so I'm going to figure out what screw goes in there and get back to it here then. Alright, the new piece, you can see right in here that it is already placed in the plastic there, and then we'll just screw through that from the back side. Here's the screw right there. So now I'm going to have to figure out, let's see, this little molded piece came out of here. Little gasket, plastic gasket. There's already a plastic gasket on here. This goes into here. That's going to go into there, and I'll pull that open. And then this is going to ride in here. Let's see if we can get them both in there together. Let's see if I should put this in first. I don't think so. We don't want that screw to fall in there. Looks like it should be fairly easy to do, but there it goes. Pops in there. Get the screw from the back side here. See if I can find it. I think I have it. I think. Feels like I've got it, but I'm not sure. Yeah, it's drawing it tight. Okay, finally. It's popped off. Okay, there, it's tight. Looks like it's going to work. Okay. Now I just got to come back to the other side. Now I'm just going to pop everything back on where it was, hopefully. Hopefully this is fairly easy. Line up get these lined up here. Make sure we got everything that belongs. Hang it back on the top first. And everything else should just pop right back into place. Feels like everything's back into place. Alright, let's put this top piece back on here. This cover plate right here. Okay, everything looks good in here. Put the screw back in it. Right down here. In there. Close the door. Let's see if she opens up when I pull her. There we go. It's fixed. Fairly quick. 15-minute job maybe. Not a bad job at all. And like I said, I'm gonna put I'll put the link so you can buy this online. That piece there, if you happen to run into the same issue, and also a link to buy the trim panel remover tools. Thank you for watching.